Well, the last time you saw me doing the Rubik's Cube, I said I hoped that I would one day be able to do it in under 2 minutes. Okay, here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Probably going to be less talking in this one than the other one, but that's okay. I want to entertain, but I also want to do this fast. I want to talk to YouTube, but I also want to destroy my past record with a new personal best. I want to do it again, again, again. No. Oh, no. Sweet. That is a good thing. Great. Okay. No. Okay. There we go. There we go. And I'm at the bottom layer already. Already? I know. Already she's at the bottom layer. What? That's so good. And last sequence, and she's going to be done. And it's done. Whew. How long was that?